Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Dex here. Today I am thrilled to share Nobisuke like 3 transitions on Alight motion. I will provide the XML file once we reach our target of likes. So without any more delay, let's start the video.
What a monster.